72nd line. Please join me at Pure Energy Dance Productions and Brian for our master class for kicking. We will be learning kick technique, jump kicks, jump splits, and a kick combination. Come join me, yay!